Hey everyone, this is Joseph. I'm excited to show you what I've got for my website. So my website's name is Joseph-Whiting, which is really helpful to me because my website is a portfolio. So it starts with a landing page about me and some of my attributes. It's got some of my artwork, some of my favorite photos, and some of my major skills that I bring to a company. One of the big things I learned in this class was the importance of talking to other people and getting what other people liked. I have this sidebar here, and I used to have all these different title pages up here, and it was kind of crowded. Had two lines, and there was two lines of things just because there's so many different menus. And so instead I decided to do the sidebar, and people liked it a lot more. They liked the color contrast, and really just people liked it a lot more, and it kind of goes through a chronology that is helpful to them. And so I think that was one of the big things I learned in this class. So one of my favorite pages, and I actually had this idea last night, so I've been working on it all night, but this is kind of a reference page, and it's all just different employers and people I've worked with, professors, and it's just quick blurbs by them, as well as a title and introduction into who they are. My major is organizational behavior, and then I have a minor in videography and photography. So it's been really important to me as I've designed this portfolio that I kind of show my diversity of skills. So this is my design thinking and course development and kind of working in this area. And then I have my organizational behavior and human resources. And these are all papers and projects that I've worked on in that area. And so that was really helpful to me to be able to put those there. Then I have kind of my more creative design, video creation. I have some of my videos that I've done in the past. I've kind of uploaded here. I'm taking more video classes this semester, so I'll be able to put those here as well. Maybe I'll even have a web design page eventually. Here we have the African art and photography gallery, and I served my mission in West Africa, so I was able to take some of these and put them in here. Who knows, maybe someday they'll sell. It was for the class, and so it'll be interesting to see what happens. Finally, I have a contact page, and yeah, so this is just kind of my work this semester. It's been really fun. I'm grateful to have this skill. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks.